Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the MCQ of highway engineering. This is part 2. The question is, when a number of roads are meeting at the point and only one of the roads is important, then the suitable shape of rotary is A. Circular, B. Tangent, C. Elliptical and D. Turbine. So the correct answer is B. Tangent. So next question. A gradient along with the vehicle does not require any tractive effort to maintain a specified speed is known as A. Rolling gradient, B. Passing gradient, C. Floating gradient and D. Minimum gradient. So the answer is C. Floating gradient. So next question. In welded wire mesh, the longitudinal wire is placed at A. 10 cm centers, B. 15 cm centers, C. 20 cm centers and D. 25 cm centers. So the correct answer is B. 15 cm centers. So next question, the percentage of free carbon in bitumen is A. more than that of tar, B. less than that of tar, C. equal to that in tar, D. none of this. So the correct answer is less than that in tar. So next question, pavement is said to be flexible if it contains A. water-bound macadam surface, B. stabilized soil base constructed of lime cement or tar, C. bitumen bond stone layer, a varying aggregate, D. all the above. So the answer is D. all the above. So next question, hill roads are A. provided camper along the spur curves, B. provided camper along valley curves, C. seldom provided a camper, D. none of this. So the correct answer is C. seldom provided a camper. So next question, the method of design of flexible pavement as recommended by IRC is A. group index method, B. CBR method, C. Westergaard method, D. Beckelman beam method. So the correct answer is B. CBR method. So California bearing ratio method. So next question, a district load with the bituminous pavement has a horizontal curve of 1000 meter for the design speed of 75 km per hour. So the super elevation is, so A 1 in 40, B 1 in 50, C 1 in 60 and D 1 in 70. So the correct answer is A 1 in 40. So next question, the head of public works department of an Indian state is A. transport minister, B. chief engineer, C. superintending engineer, D. executive engineer. So the correct answer is B. chief engineer. So next question, tie bars in cement concrete pavements are at A. expansion joints, B. contraction joints, C. wrapping joints, D. longitudinal joints. So the correct answer is longitudinal joints. So next question, as per recommendations of IRC, traffic volume study is carried out for the rural roads for 7 days continuously during A. harvesting, B. lean season, C. harvesting and lean season, D. none of these. So the correct answer is C. harvesting and lean season. So next question, the formation width of the hill road is the distance between A. outer end of side drain to outer end of the parapet wall, so B. outer end of the side drain to the inner end of the parapet wall, C. inner end of the side drain to outer end of the parapet wall, and option D. inner end of the side drain to the inner end of the parapet wall. So the correct answer is A. outer end of the side drain to the outer end of the parapet wall. So next question, the camper of shoulders in water-bound macadam road is option A. equal to the cross slope of pavement, option B. less than the cross slope of pavement, option C. greater than the cross slope of pavement, option D. 0. So the correct answer is A. equal to the cross slope of the pavement. So next question, the traffic surveys are carried out, option A. to know the type of traffic, option B. to determine the facilitates to the traffic regulations, option C. the design proper drainage system, option D. all the above. So the correct answer is option D. all the above. So next question, the difference in the gradient after full super elevation and the initial alignment of the road is known as Option A, rolling gradient. Option B, rising gradient. Option C, compensated gradient. Option D, differential gradient. So the correct answer is differential gradient. So next question, the camper for hilly roads in case of bitumen surfacing is adopted as A 2%, option B 2.5%, option C 3%, option D 4%. So the correct answer is option B 2.5%. So next question, if C is the basic capacity of lane, V is the velocity in kilometer per hour, S is stopping distance plus length of the vehicle in meter, so the formula C is equal to 1000 V by S is applicable to A, district roads, option B 2-lane roads, option C 2-lane roads in one direction, option D none of this. So the correct answer is C, 2-lane roads in one direction. So the next question, to prevent movement of moisture from the subgrade to road pavement on the embankment about 0.6 meter to 1 meter height than water table, the thickness of the cut layer in the course of sand used. So option A 15 centimeter, option B 20 centimeter, option C 30 centimeter, D none of the above. So the correct answer is D none of the above. So next question, the direct interchange ramp involves A, diverging the right side of the merging from the left, option B, diverging the left side and merging from the right, option C, diverging to the right side and merging from the right, option D, diverging to the left side and merging from the left. So the correct answer is C, diverging to the right side and merging from the right. So next question, the design of flexible pavement is based on A, mathematical analysis, option B, empirical formula, C, a comprise of pure theory and pure empirical formula, D, none of this. So the correct answer is C, the compromise of pure theory and pure empirical formula. So next question, the total value of extra widening required at the horizontal curve on a 2-lane held road of the radius 42 meter for the design speed of 50 km per hour and for the vehicle with wheelbase 6 meter is option A 0.500 meter, option B 0.589 meter, option C 1.089 meter, option D 0.089 meter. So the correct answer is C, option 1.089 meter. So next question, which of the following represent the hardest grade of the bitumen? So option A 30 by 40, option B 60 by 70, option C 80 by 100, option D 100 by 120. So the correct answer is 30 to 40. So next question, the weight of the vehicle affects option A pavement thickness, option B ruling gradient, option C limiting gradient, option D all the above. So the correct answer is D, all the above. So next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. So the option A, the height of the height light above the road surface is taken as 0.75 meter. So option B, beam of height light is up to the 1 degree upward from the grade of road. Option C, while designing the valley curve, the height of the object is assumed nil. D, all the above. So the correct answer is D, all the above. So next question, the number of repetitions which the pavement thickness is designed for a given wheel load should be able to support during the life pavement is option A 1000, option B 10,000, option C 1 lakh, option D 10 lakhs. So the correct answer is option D 10 lakhs. So next question, according to the recommendations of Nagpur Conference, the width formation of the ideal national highway in hard rock cutting is A 8.9 meter, option B 7.9 meter, option C 6.9 meter, option D 6.5 meter. So the correct answer is B 7.9 meter. So next question, setting out the Lemniscate transition curve is done with A perpendicular offset, option B radial offsets, option C deflection angles, option D polar deflection angles. So the correct answer is D, polar deflection angles. So next question, maximum daily traffic capacity in bituminous pavement is A 500 tons per day, B 1000 tons per day, C 1500 tons per day, option D 2000. So the correct answer is option C 1500 tons per day. So next question, the headlight of vehicle should be such that its lower beam illuminates object at A 10 meter, option B 20 meter, option C 30 meter, option D 40 meter. So the correct answer is C, option C 30 meter. So next question, the gradient of trace cut for hilly roads are kept option A equal to the ruling gradient, option B 10 to 20% easier than ruling gradient, option C 10 to 20% steeper than the ruling gradient, D none of this. So the correct answer is 10 to 20% easier than ruling gradient. So again we will see in next video. Thank you.